Hello everybody, this is Sister Mary with Homesteading Haven, and I am going to show you my chickens taking a dust bath. So I'm going to try to catch the two that I just saw a few minutes ago, and hopefully they will not get up. We'll watch this one for a few minutes and then we'll move on into the woods to look at the other one. Alright, probably not going to do anything because he knows I'm sitting here watching. So we are going to move on up to see more action. I came out to get my chicken eggs, and I thought, well, wait a minute, I'm missing an egg. So I walked around where they come and scratch to see if they had laid an egg just out in their area, because they do that. I'm always bringing you videos with the goats, but I love my chickens too. And we've still got one over here if I can. Oh yeah, there's action over here if I can just be gentle. I don't know if you can see that right there. I'm gonna move on around there real easy. Now my guineas are coming up. There's a total of 3. Always the scraggler. Alright, I want to hurry up and get over here before I lose this opportunity. Now, can you see right here by this wood that is down? Look at this one right here. Just scratching and rolling. Of course, I have friends right beside me, so I'm hoping they're not going to disturb anybody. But I came out because I knew that they hung out right here in this wood pile. Used to be a little bit more wood, but they have pecked and turned stuff around. They have scratched that dirt down to no grass showing. Look at this one right here. See my friends? It's a little early for me to be feeding them again, so I was hoping they would not all run to me. Well, come on over, everybody, for a dirt bath. It gives a new meaning to the saying dirt bag, because they are, look at her. Let me see if I can, well, I don't want to do that. She was kicking dirt up at that other one. And she's letting me get right up on her, but I don't want to make her move. That is not the objective. Stay right there, baby. Stay right there. Isn't something you get to see every day. Now I just got pecked on the finger. Hello. The barred rocks are the ones with the black speckled, and that's who just pecked me right there. She's another one of the barred rocks. Now we call these the cinnamon chickens. They have a little cinnamon color to them. Let's get back to this. Look at her. She is just wanting to be on camera. All right, girl. You want to be in pictures? Is that what it's about? I think this one's starting to take a nap. Uh-oh, she's moving because people are coming in. Oh, look at this. Can y'all see that red ant? Hold on. Let me see if I got him. Look at him. Dangerous. Where did he go? If I can catch him, I will. I'm not going to touch him. But if I can show you what he looks like, I will. Trying not to bother my girls, though. I want her to stay right there. So we've got some red, furry, fuzzy, red and black ants. And I don't guess they bother the chickens because that ant just came running across that dirt mound. I don't know where the ant went, but quite large. Other baby. You see how she's kind of spread out right there? Let's make sure that we are not enlarged. There we go. Can you see how she has her wings? She's got her wings spread out a little bit right there. That is because I am standing up over her. And it's kind of a defense mechanism. If they think that you're going to bend down and try to catch them, see how her wings, she's ready for you. And this one right here is still having a great time. Let's see if we can get these two over here. The lighting's not that great. You're probably not going to do much more for us. I'll turn around and see what else is happening. Might be able to go over and get let you see the little, I call them the babies, which, whoa. All right. Well, she's done with her dust bath, and I guess this one's going to sit down and do it. You going to do your dust bath too? I think so. I'm going to try to ease over here by the chicken coop. These other ones, they usually start to run off from me. I'll show you in a second. They are very small. We got them from our Amish community sale. Let's see. We can make them a little bit bigger. They are about half the size. Oh no, they're probably a third of the size of the other chickens. See if we can, there we go. They can fly. The door closed yesterday because of rain and wind. And I had about, I don't know, 6 up here. Now, of course, there's a screen there. The fence is, chicken wire is still on the top too, so they would not come out. And I try to take this stick right here that's leaned up against this post. I tried to take that stick and try to shoo them, but that didn't work. Just a few more. It's nice to watch the animals in their natural habitat and do what the Lord gives them the knowledge to do. I feed them in the morning, feed them in the evening, and they get out early and they start, well, I just saw a squirrel. Anyway, they get out in the morning and they start doing all that scratching and pecking, looking for bugs and worms. And that's what they do till evening. Oh, this one come running out. That squirrel that I was talking about, it was jumping over here somewhere. All right, everybody, this is Sister Mary with Homesteading Haven. And you can't say that you've never seen a chicken take a dust bath. You know what a dust bath is now. I don't encourage anybody to go do it, but I think the chicken seemed to really enjoy it. God bless you this day, and remember, greater is He that is in you, the believer, Jesus, than he, Satan, that is in the world.